Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to build an iron golem in Minecraft. First, gather your essential materials. You'll need 4 blocks of iron and 1 carved pumpkin. Iron blocks are crafted from 9 iron ingots each, so you'll need a total of 36 iron ingots. Carved pumpkins are easily made by using shears on a regular pumpkin. Having these items ready ensures a smooth building process. Now, let's construct the golem's sturdy body. Begin by placing 2 iron blocks vertically, one on top of the other, to form the central pillar. Next, place 1 iron block on each side of the top iron block. This arrangement will create a distinct T-shape. Make sure you're building on a flat, open area for best results. This forms the foundation for your new protector. The final step is to bring your iron golem to life. Take your carved pumpkin and place it directly on top of the central iron block of the T-shape. This is the crucial moment that completes your creation. As soon as the pumpkin is placed, the iron golem will instantly spawn and become active, ready to protect. It's a simple yet powerful action that adds a valuable guardian to your world. Iron golems are incredibly useful protectors in Minecraft. They will actively defend villagers and players from various hostile mobs, such as zombies and spiders. These powerful allies are immune to fall damage and drowning, making them quite resilient. If your golem takes damage, you can easily heal it by right-clicking with iron ingots. They are a fantastic addition to any village or base.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.